Okay, welcome back. All month long, KGW has been helping you get ahead in your career and find out which industries are hiring. And today we're focusing on the growing healthcare industry and why it's a smart career move, especially in Oregon. Joining me now, Dean Karen Marangel from PSU and biology major Valeria Vasquez-Trejo. So I was struck by something that we saw from the Bureau of Labor and Industry that said that, let me get there, well, the healthcare occupations will add more jobs than any other group of occupations in the coming decades. Why is this?
So a lot of experts think it's because of the aging population. And that Bureau has estimated that we will add over 10 million jobs in the next decade in the healthcare industry.
Wow. And what kinds of jobs are we talking about here?
They run the gamut. So it could be researchers in labs, it could be practitioners, so your doctors, your dentists, your chiropractors, and then public health workers as well.
Does this also include administration, things like that?
Absolutely.
So I could hear someone maybe at home thinking, well, I'm not sure I'm suited for that. What do you need to take part in this industry?
Right. So it depends on someone's background, but there's a wide variety of on-ramps into the healthcare industry. So usually there is some baseline of science and mathematics that's needed to enter in, but it's not just medical school. So in healthcare administration, there's a lot of career pathways. The schooling can range from getting a bachelor's degree plus a little bit of graduate school after that, and the level of science background needed really varies depending on the career path.
Okay, good, because you may not, folks may say, I'm not strong enough in science, but
right.
There are other on-roads, as you say. Okay, Valeria, you grew up in Silverton. It's interesting, and you stayed in Oregon, went to PSU. What's, you're in pre-med, is that right?
Yeah, I'm a pre-med, biology major with a chemistry minor.
So what's your goal? Do you want to do research?
Well, I've actually started doing research about a year ago. And I've really enjoyed it, and I never thought it could be something I did. You know, it was just something other people did. There were scientists, but I think I want to continue. I really like the clinical aspect of medicine too, so maybe a little bit of both.
Right. So what was it about this that drew your attention, Valeria? Why did you decide to take this path?
Well, I have a personal story. So my sister was in hospitals a lot when she was growing up, and seeing that as a young kid, I was always like, oh, they're heroes. Doctors are amazing. That's really great. And in high school, I got the opportunity to do some shadowing, and that's when I was like, yes, this is what I want to do. Yeah.
And why did you decide to go to PSU?
Well, I'm a first-generation college student, so for me, one of the major barriers to going to college was finances, and I found some really great programs at PSU that were helping me support financially and then also academically and as a first-generation student. So the GYNAS program and the Build Exito program.
Right.
Both of
there are lots of scholarship opportunities here, right? Can you tell folks a little bit about that?
Sure. So we do have a number of opportunities. As Valeria mentioned, the Build Exito is one of our most prominent. So this is a program that helps attract students to mentors and get them into internship and research opportunities, also providing them stipends so that they can participate in those opportunities and not have to worry about generating the money from a job to spend on tuition. Portland State also has a 4-year free guarantee for students who qualify. So for students who are of a certain level of financial need, we will make tuition free for them for 4 years at Portland State.
So talk a little bit too about the link between PSU and OHSU and the numbers that really surprised me of kids who are doing this and students. Right.
So we have over 3,500 undergraduates at Portland State who are in a pre-health pathway at this point. And we are one of the biggest senders of students to Oregon Health Sciences University, into their medical school, their dental school, into their pharmacy program, into the variety of clinical programs at the graduate level. So we're built to support students to travel to PSU and then through PSU to OHSU and other graduate institutions.
All right, so in just the last few seconds that we have here, anyone who might be intimidated from this field, what would you say to them, Dean?
Contact one of our advisors, because we can make this work for you. That is part of our Access mission as our university, is to ensure that students can meet their career goals, and we're set up to do that.
Valeria, what would you tell someone who's thinking about this field?
I'd tell them that if they really want to do it, to go for it. I think anyone can do it, and with enough perseverance and support, it's possible.
And it sounds like there's a lot of support at
Yeah.
PSU.
Yeah.
Valeria, good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations on all that you've done.
Thank you.
And we'll look forward to great things from you in the future. I'm glad there are people like you, because if it were up to me, it wouldn't be getting done. I'd be making tinfoil to-go packages. All right, thank you both for joining us too. And a reminder, tomorrow PSU is participating in our Get Ahead Facebook live chat. A PSU advisor will be on hand to answer your questions about joining the healthcare industry. That's tomorrow afternoon, 12:30 on the KGW Facebook page. Thank you both again, and we'll be right back.